This is AI UX, a mini-series focused on 10 guidelines that were created to assist all those that are involved in the design and development of AI-based systems. I'm Daria Loy, and today I will talk about guideline number 9, design onboarding mechanisms that grow and evolve. Onboarding is a term that user experience designers adopted to describe the process of ramping up users, to make them familiar with a new site, app, or service. When well implemented, onboarding assists users in learning how to use an application incrementally, avoiding cognitive overload. In the context of AI, I suggest onboarding not only to ramp up users so they get familiar with basic functionalities, but also to achieve these key points. 1. To adjust the system behavior as it learns more about the user. For instance, if the system notices that you start a pot of coffee every morning at 7:30, it may ask you, would you like me to turn on the coffee pot for you at that time every morning? 2. To adjust the system's behavior as a user's understanding and trust towards the system changes. For example, a system may ask, I notice that when you're not at home, you're comfortable with turning on all security cameras. Would you like me to activate a new feature that allows you to monitor whether you forgot to close your windows before leaving the house? And 3, to contextually explain to users what will be compromised or what could be gained if a setting was changed or activated. For example, if you change your system settings to activate a new feature, the system may ask for confirmation and add or explain that by activating that specific feature, it may require to collect more data. Intelligent systems should be designed as evolving systems, and they should have the ability to grow and evolve with their owners. The focus here is on empowering people with an intuitive onboarding process, so they are equipped to choose what is best for them and to be able to change their mind at any time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I will see you next week on Tuesday for more AI UX.